Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and now we're about to hop back on this 2012 Yamaha R1rebuild edition. If you haven't seen any of the previous content, go back. This frame has been swapped out and now we are putting it back together. So guys, we don't have any time to waste, let's get to it. See, if the horn works, we on the right path. Oh yeah, guys. The horn works. Guys, you already know the deal. Let's get back to work. Alright guys, so I already threw on the tank. I got the tank on. I didn't bolt it down yet because I want to make sure this thing will start. Also, I got the exhaust still open. I can't put the exhaust on until I paint the undertail piece before it goes on. So right now, let's see if this thing will start.
laughing. I think it's so cool.
All right, boys and girls, what do you think? What do you think? I got this thing all back together, like I said, with the frame swap in 4 days. It's now complete. The only thing we're missing now is painting the fairings. So guys, let's take a look at this thing. All right, guys, I want to hear from you. What do you guys think the next build should be? Get down in the comment section and let me know. And guys, just like that, this video is over. Hang with us tomorrow. We coming back in and we painting the fairings, and we're going to try to get this bike put completely together. So guys, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.